Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage backups in QuickBooks Desktop. Backing up your company file protects your data from loss due to damages, corruptions, or accidental deletion. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to open the backup feature. Go to File, Backup Company, create local backup, and next is to choose backup type. So you're going to select local backup and then click options. Now you're going to choose where to save your backup. It could be to external drive, network location, or cloud service folder. Next is to set up backup preferences. So now you're going to choose how often QuickBooks should remind you to backup, and then select the options to verify data before backing up to catch errors early. Next is to create the backup. So you're going to click next and then save it now, or you can choose to save it later and schedule future backups. QuickBooks will create a .qbb backup file. Next is to manage your backups. So keep multiple recent backups in different locations. Periodically test restoring a backup just to ensure that files are working. A pro tip is to store at least one backup in the cloud or off-site for disaster recovery. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.